Good evening, Sudhir. Let's wait for a few minutes. By the time I think a few people will join. Good evening, Kamalji. Okay, so I think a few people have joined. So thank you, Bharatji. Thank you, Ashishji. Good evening, Nideshji. So, so last day we have seen a good short covering in Nifty, and I hope you had a kind of movement with some event, some scheduled event. When we get this type of event, we get to see high volatility in market. And last day it was short covering. Day before that it was kind of one-sided drop with negative news and all. But yeah, Nifty directionally iska hourly chart it has changed. The direction is up obviously, but yeah, at high levels we have to be very much yeah. Good evening, Navendu. At high levels we need to be a little bit of selective. I must say that any level is not our buy, is not our uh, blind long entry, especially when the news effect is likely to end, when we get a gap up opening. So on Monday, whenever we get this type of scenario, please think twice before taking any directional view from that level. So that's simple. I think you all are very much experienced. So this today's thing is today's live is all about your question answer. So you can just throw your questions, whatever you have. I'll try to I'll try to answer as much as possible about anything. But yeah, statutory disclaimer: no recommendation, nothing. Please use your own prudence, analyze for yourself. I'm just sharing my opinion, personal opinion. That can be wrong as well, and most of the time I'm wrong. Most of the time my views went completely opposite. Yeah, Sachinji, good evening. I hope you are making in lakhs. Nilesh how are you, Nilesh ji? It is really great to see you in our live. I just want to introduce Nilesh ji. He is one of the senior most member in our group, and he is one of the most senior most market participant I have ever met. So, uh, thank you. And guys, anyone having any questions, or I shall I think screen sharing is only possible with some kind of software, and that software I don't have access to any software right now. Okay, let's start with the first question. Let's jump in SRF. Uh, so guys, please be very much specific about the trend. Daily trend in SRF, still it is down, but yeah, we are very near to a strong demand zone. I think SRF is likely to bounce from here. Likely, not very much. Not very much reacted last day. If we compare with the other stocks or index, it has not yet reacted. It has not made any kind of hourly bottom or anything. So just we need to wait a little. We need to wait. अभी भी कोई बॉटम नहीं बना है इसका hourly पे. डेली पे ठीक है, बट डेली पे तो पूरा साइडवेज ही है ना. तो साइडवेज मार्केट पे at lower range you get the higher probabilities. Always remember that, right? Trend for next 1 month, I'm very much clear about the level 24 500 600. That particular level, if that level is broken, then just prepare for the all-time high. If that level is not broken, then I think it can be little bit of more volatility, little bit of sideways, little bit of up downs and everything. Yeah. Just like things are going on. In Nifty, daily trend purely depends on the particular level. That is I'm talking about Nifty, spot Nifty. Okay, spot Nifty, that level comes at 23 537. 23 537. If it moves above it, just forget about everything. Forget about the downfall. Forget about the correction. It's time to create fresh up move. It's purely trend reversal confirmed. It's purely uh, bearish control over beyond 24 537. So just mark that level if it is okay, but that probability is little low. At current point of time we don't have any further reason to react so much. So we have already reacted 500-600 points in a single day, and thereafter I think another gap up opening possible in Monday. So that's all. I think we need the next trigger. How Trinker works? Trinker is a algo platform. You can just pay and use their algo system simply. It is a monthly. I think they charge some around 2,000 kind of. So Trinker is a simple algo platform that is that I think is under a broker, NSE broker. नो सिल नो सिल का चार्ट हमने बहुत दिन नहीं देखा है. लेट्स चेक वंस. Actually, nowadays I hardly check small mid cap charts. And for no sale, I hope it is for investment purpose. So it's all okay. Rather, I would say it is outperforming in this market. It has not reacted that much. Not yet reacted that much like others have done. So it is okay. It is completely fine. And it is very near to breakout area as well. I think it shall react if market has to move on. Ultimate thing is all about the market movement. Large cap, if large cap is behaving, if large cap is doing well, everything is fine. If Nifty is doing well, your stocks will do good. The large caps, and if large caps are doing good, your mid small caps are completely okay. VDL Vedanta, I was very much bullish on VDL, but I'm a little bit disappointed after a few days. It was one of my most. I had a strong view on VDL that beyond 436, I was very much bullish since what I can say since August 19th of August. It was broken and closed near 442. So since then I was very much bullish on VDL, but somehow it failed till now due to some a few reason, but still all okay, all fine. It is in a demand. Definitely, it is in a daily demand, and let's hope it will work. Right, because if VDL give you a bounce from here, it should break the last high very easily. So it could be a one of the outperformers. Okay, the next one, natural gas. I don't track commodities. I don't track any commodities. Sometimes I check the charts, but I don't track the continuously. I don't track them. But yeah, for especially that natural gas, I'm bullish, purely bullish. Natural gas price shall rise a lot from here. So there are few stocks that may get benefited. You can just take the natural gas futures chart. When I posted and the current market price, it is near about 10% up from there. Even more than 10% up it was at a point of time. So like that. Reliance is okay. Wipro, IT stocks are purely fine. Reliance may take time to react. I think a few of you know that there are some concern about their um, long-term business, about that particular geo platform, how it will work. That a few question marks are there, so few clarification we needed. Wipro is okay. I think IT stocks will do well. IT stocks have IT index. I must say that IT index have given a fresh breakout. Fresh breakout, matlab, it is weekly a breakout. It is like to continue the current move that it has started a year ago. So it is just continuation. All good, no issue. Which sector I feel? I think all sector will perform as per its own capabilities. And if we look at the FMCG sector, it has corrected a lot. I think. Just look at the FMCG sector; it has corrected, so you may get good opportunity there as well. But it is not definitely it is not the primary sector to react when Nifty will outperform. So IT will lead. bank may not bank may not give you the best move, because bank index, the bank nifty, if you check, bank nifty has closed, or it is trading very near very important level. So like Let me open the chart once for Bank Nifty. I can't share the screen if I could have it at that 49,800. That's the level 49,800. The even that was the low of on Thursday. The Thursday low 49,800. If it is broken, then Bank Nifty to gap. Matlab, it is a big time breakdown. So I think it will not be so easily, but if it breaks, then more underperformance can be seen in Bank Nifty. I hope my words are clear. 23,100. I was expected that level, but it has moved from 23 to 90 or to 80 kind of levels. So we can accept that that level is okay. That level is reacted. HL not yet reacted. HL it has given the move, but not yet. Not the best one, not the best performer. Near about 3% of last day, uh, single day performance, but the daily trend is still down. Number one in HL. The hourly trend is still down. No change in hourly trend. Okay. So that's the thing. Like I need to break above 4250, 4250. I need a at least hourly closing, 1 or 2 hour closing above 4250. Then I will be a little bit bullish on HL. Actually, I said maybe 3 months ago that HL will come below 4,000 level. Do you remember anyone? I posted in Twitter as well. I think I cannot find that tweet, but the target is done. That target has met. So it's time to little bit more consideration and long term view on HL is positive. Long term view on HL is completely okay, and PI industries for short term or long term. What? Fine, but PI industry, I think it is underperformer. I'm not bullish on that for even long term perspective as well. I'm not bullish on PI industries. I would like to avoid. You may see that is near to the lifetime high. It is long term uptrend, but still, I think the last high was 4700 kind of level. That high is a very strong high, very strong sell we have seen beyond that with a gap with years and everything. I don't want to get into these stocks. Even I have better opportunities, so why should I get in? Why not? As I said, Nifty can make all-time high, but if it needs to break 24,537 spot, and we need a closing above it. Simple. We need a closing above 24,537. Uh, then definitely we will look for all-time high again. Yeah, it was short covering. Last day it was purely short covering, nothing else. Last day it was purely short covering, and next day if we get a gap up opening, that could be another opportunity for the short. So we never know when FII will stop. We never know when our DII will be able to control. But technically, still we are under the roof. So don't be bullish at the higher levels. Don't be extra optimistic. And market is fine. Long-term trend is up. Any correction is welcome because it will give you the opportunity only. So that's all. Tata Motor is little bit. I haven't seen the last 1 or 2 days chart. Let me check just a minute. Daily trend in Tata Motors is purely down since it was broken 1000 level. So still my view in daily chart is down, weekly chart down. So I don't want to look at this chart unless it gives me any kind of reversal, any kind of structural change. That may be possible. Hourly even hourly trend also down. So that is a little bit of ridiculous kind of stock that is not reacting on a day when Nifty itself moved up by 600 points. So in short term, hourly trend in Tata Motors last high was created near about 100 to 800 levels. If it close, if it stay beyond this level, then short term hourly trend could be, it could go near about 840, 870 maximum. But daily, weekly, all the trends are down. I don't want to get into this talk. Give it time, give it little bit time to react, to create its base. नहीं हुआ इसका. So I don't know about this Summon Capital. These are small cap stocks and mostly news based, mostly manipulated. Whatever you say, the story, the fundamental, the order book, everything. But ultimately, if your large cap, if your best performing Nifty weighted stocks are can be manipulated, then your these small mid caps can be do, they can do anything. And if you know the story, all good. If you don't know the story, just it's your luck if you are making profits. And it simply depends on the trend. If market is working, if market is moving up, your all small mid caps will do good. Your all stocks will perform, and you may think that your analysis is correct, but ultimate thing is to the market. Reliance Industries, I'm not much bullish on this. As I said, it may not perform like other stocks. It has some question mark on the Geo platform. And unless it gets clarified, I don't want to be extra kind of bullish on that. That may be sideways kind of movement we can see, we can expect. Udaipur Cement. Once I had a position in Udaipur. Currently, I exited from that stock. बहुत दिन पहले एग्जिट कर गया, तो I am not tracking it currently, but technically it is still daily trend down. ये अराउंड 48 49 पे टॉप आउट कर था. सो अभी बाइक नहीं है इसका, डेली ट्रेंड डाउन, तो अभी अवॉइड ही बेटर है. So how are you doing in the market? How is your expectation? How are you experiencing this move? Hindustan Unilever. As I said, that FMCG has seen a big drop. Hindustan Unilever, it is still hourly trend change हो गया है. Hourly trend is it has changed that direction, but daily down, weekly down, both are down. So still it needs a little bit time. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you for joining everyone. Good night. See you again.